One more book, Mama.
Welcome to One More Book Mama, where we read our favorite stories. If you don't want to miss out on more kids' books, hit that subscribe button down below. Today's book is Do You Have Any Patience? Written by Ben Stern and illustrated by Chava Cohen. Today's story is being read with permission from the author and the publisher. A note from the author. The Flip and Friends book series is dedicated to the memory of my dear brother, Philip Stern, whom was taken from this world way too early. Phil was hardworking, loved the outdoors, and was constantly making everyone laugh. Miss you, brother. If you would please consider donating to the Epilepsy Foundation in Phil's memory. I'll leave a link in the description box below. Meet Flip the Frog. Flip wants everything now. Now? Now. Now. Mommy, I want dinner now. Now, says Flip. Mommy says, Flip, you need to get some patience. Okay, Mommy, says Flip. Do you have any patience? I'd like to buy some patience now. Now.
I'm sorry. It will be ready in 5 minutes,
says the candy store keeper. I am not waiting. Goodbye, says Flip. Do you have any patience? I'd like to buy some patience now. Now. I'm sorry. It will be here in 5 minutes, says the toy store manager. I'm not waiting. Goodbye, says Flip. Do you have any patience? I'd like to buy some patience now. Now.
I'm sorry, it is in the back freezer. Please wait 5 minutes,
says the ice cream maker. Ha! I'm not waiting. Goodbye, says Flip. Do you have any patience? I'd like to buy some patience now. Now.
I'm sorry, it is in the oven. It will be ready in like 5 minutes,
says the pizza chef. I am not waiting. Goodbye, says Flip. Do you have any patience yet? I'd like to buy some patience. Now.
I'm sorry. It will be here in 5 minutes,
says the candy store keeper. Flip answers, Okay, I'll be waiting.
Here is your patience,
the candy store keeper says with a smile. I see you found some patience, Flip. Let's eat. It can be hard to wait for things that you want, friends, but with just a little bit of patience, you'll get there. If you enjoyed today's story, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more books. Don't forget, if you can, go down to the description box below and donate to the Epilepsy Foundation. See you next week.
Mama.
That was fantastic. Hi, I'm Ben, the co-creator of the Flip and Friends book series. And we wanted to let you know from all your feedback and all the parents and teachers that reached out to us and said, this book is amazing and the kids really understand patience, but we need to do more. What do we do next? So we just launched thepatientbook.com. On thepatientbook.com, we have videos for parents, videos for grandparents, teachers, adults, videos for the children to watch. We also have a section on resources and activities, so you can print out charts for rewards, puzzles, mazes, everything you need to continue that patience work. We know at the end that a child that learns patience will be a much more successful adult. Thank you.